Hey guys, so I wanted to show you how to use this circuit simulation that you're going to play with. I mean, it allows you to do a lot of stuff you can do in lab on your computer. So it's pretty straightforward, right? So I can, let's say I want to start with a battery. I take it, I move it over here, take a wire. Note that it's got these dotted red ends that if they kind of meet up, they stick. Once it's stuck, it's hard to get it unstuck. I mean, it's kind of nice. If I want to, I can right click and I can click on split junction. It does that, but I don't know who needs that. I can also click on the whole thing and hit the delete button and it gets rid of it. But let's have it on. So the wire, let's have another wire, and let's have a light bulb. The light bulb, you'll notice, has two of these ends, the two of these places you could plug stuff in, right? Just like a real light bulb does. And now I do that, and look at that, it makes light. That's very exciting. Okay. So let's do stuff. All right, let's get rid of the light bulb first of all and show you something that you should not do with a circuit, which is connect a wire from positive to negative, because what's going to happen is, whoa, stop, we can't do that because this is like a circuit with zero resistance. If you divide if the resistance is zero, then that means the current's going to have to be infinite, since resistance is voltage over current. Okay, let's not do that. Calm down. We can just hit the reset all button, and then that gets rid of the whole circuit. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. So anyway, let's put a battery in, wires. Let's say I want to do two light bulbs in series. I could do that. Wire, another light bulb. I mean, play around with it. You guys aren't stupid. You can figure this stuff out. You just gotta, mess around until it works. And then, uh-oh. What happened there? Hit the play button. Okay, now it works. Now here's the thing that might be fun to do. Maybe I want to measure voltages and currents. Well, I click on where it says voltmeter, and it gives me, whoa, a voltmeter. Yay, that kind of looks like yours. Remember, I got to hook it up in parallel with the thing I want to measure. So one side of the bulb, other side of the bulb, 4.5 volts. All right. One side of the bulb, the other side of the bulb. All right, also 4.5 volts. I can do the battery too. I can also measure the voltage drop for a wire. One side of the wire, the other side of the wire. Ooh, it's 0. The reason why is that on the Advanced tab, if I click on Show, it allows me to make the wire resistance almost none. If I change that to lots, notice it changes. There's now a voltage drop. Let's keep it at almost none. It's going to make the math easier. But there you go. So we're just going to look across bulbs. All right. Here's another thing I can do. Let me delete this guy over here, and I'll put an ammeter in. Ammeter, click, and then that gives me the option. And it doesn't look a lot like yours, but whatevs. But remember, the important part is it's got to be in series, right? So let's kind of move it. And now, right? Current flows there. And so it's measuring the current. It's measuring the voltmeter. I'm measuring the voltage. And so, wow, look at that. I can measure resistance just like that. I'm going to ask you to make some more complicated circuits than this. And so you got to be clever about where to put your ammeter. You might want to kind of sneak in extra wires some places, like if you have like two in parallel and one in series. But it's no big deal. If you're interested after that and want to have some fun, grab bag. Let's see. What are some things you might want to put current on? A dog. That makes sense. Hand, some pencil lead. I mean, just go nuts, right? Yeah. All right, guys. Well, enjoy your break. Hopefully you don't spend too long on this. And I'll see you in the end of February. Bye-bye.